Hi, my name is Nikita. Welcome to this journey through science. Today we are going to explore an exciting topic from the course Digital Futures and Green Frontiers. In this session, we'll dive into the world of biohacking. We'll learn how technology is helping us understand and improve the human body, the tools we use, and why it matters. Biohacking is a new way people are using science and technology to improve their own bodies. It's about taking control of your health, learning how your body works, and finding small ways to make it better. In this course, we'll look at cool tools like fitness trackers, implants, and even gene editing. You'll also learn the benefits, risks, and what the future might hold. Our goal is to understand how this amazing field can help shape healthier and smarter lives. What is biohacking? Biohacking means using science to make your body better. You don't need a lab. It can be as simple as using an app to sleep better or eat smarter. Some people experiment with vitamins, devices, or even small tech gadgets in their bodies. It's like becoming a scientist of your own health. This field is growing fast because tech is getting cheaper and easier to use. Types of biohacking. There are many types of biohacking. Nutrigenomics focuses on how your food affects your genes. DIY biology is when people do science outside of labs, sometimes even at home. Grinders use body implants to gain new abilities, like opening doors with a wave of their hand. And the quantified self group tracks everything about their body using data. All these types help us understand and improve ourselves in different ways. Wearable devices. Many people start with wearable tech like smartwatches or fitness bands. These track steps, heart rate, sleep, and more. They help you learn what's happening inside your body every day. For example, you might notice you sleep better when you exercise. It's simple, safe, and one of the easiest ways to start biohacking. Implanted technology implants take things a step further. Some people insert tiny chips under their skin. These chips can unlock doors, store info, or replace ID cards. It sounds like science fiction, but it's already happening. This kind of biohacking is more serious and needs careful thought about safety and privacy. Smart health technologies. These tools go beyond simple step counters. They track heart rate, oxygen, blood sugar, and even give medical alerts. Doctors and patients use them to catch problems early. Apps turn this info into advice, like when to drink water or get more rest. It's like having a health coach on your wrist. Introduction to genetics. To understand advanced biohacking, we need to know genetics. Our body is built using instructions in our DNA. These instructions come from our parents and decide how we look and grow. Every person's DNA is slightly different, and that's what makes each of us unique. Studying genetics helps us find new ways to improve health. What is CRISPR? CRISPR is a tool that lets scientists edit DNA, like fixing a typo in a book. It uses a guide to find the right part of the DNA and then cuts or changes it. This tool is fast, cheap, and very accurate. It could help cure diseases or grow better crops, but it must be used carefully to avoid mistakes. Genetic engineering for biohackers. Some biohackers use genetic tools in creative ways. They try things like glowing plants or yeast that makes milk proteins. In medicine, scientists are working on curing sickle cell disease using gene editing. The future might include growing custom organs or building better immune systems. This shows how powerful genetic tools can be. Bioinformatics basics. Bioinformatics is the use of computers to study biology. Scientists use it to study DNA, predict diseases, and discover new treatments. It's a mix of biology, data, and programming. Even beginners can learn to use bioinformatics tools online. It's like detective work, using clues in data to solve science puzzles, using data in innovation. Data from wearables, labs, and genetics helps improve science. Artificial intelligence, AI, can read this data and give advice or find patterns. For example, it can predict if someone might get sick. Data also helps create new medicines faster. This shows how important it is to use science and tech together. Health and wellness. Hacking biohackers often start by improving daily habits. They track sleep, adjust diets, and find fun ways to exercise. Sleep trackers help them learn what affects their rest. Food choices can be matched to body type or goals. With data and small changes, they get better results in health. Mental performance. Some people want to improve focus and memory. They use nootropics, special pills or drinks that help the brain work better. Others use meditation or brain games. These tools can reduce stress and improve how we learn. Mental hacking is about keeping the brain sharp and healthy. Self-tracking. Self-tracking means checking your body every day. You might track how much you walk, how long you sleep, or how often you get sick. This helps you spot patterns, like feeling tired after junk food. With this info, apps give tips on how to improve. It's a smart and easy start to biohacking. DIY biohacking at home. You can do simple biology experiments at home. Try extracting DNA from strawberries or making pH tests with red cabbage. Always use safe tools and follow hygiene rules. You don't need expensive equipment, just curiosity. It's a great way to learn how science works. Ethical considerations. Biohacking also raises ethical questions. Is it fair to upgrade your body if others can't? Should we edit genes just to look better? People must agree to any tests they join, and everyone's health data should stay private. Ethics helps guide us to use science wisely. Safety and regulation. Laws protect people from risky experiments. Some countries allow gene editing, others don't. In any lab, even at school, safety rules matter. Always wear gloves, label items, and stay clean. When something strange happens, tell a teacher or expert. Public perception. Not everyone feels the same about biohacking. Some think it's cool, others worry it's unsafe. Movies and media affect how people see it. That's why it's important to share facts, not fear. Science fairs or workshops can help people understand. The future of biohacking. The future might include longer lives, better memory, or even new body parts. Tools will be easier to get and use, but we'll also need stronger laws to keep things safe. Biohacking can help the world if we work together with care. Review and recap. So, what did we learn today? Biohacking uses science and tech to help people feel and live better. Tools range from smartwatches to gene editing. We also saw the importance of safety, rules, and respect. Science is powerful, but it must be used wisely. Thanks for joining me. Keep asking questions and exploring science.